Hi guys, welcome to our new show. Actually, it's your show. Tell us what's the name of the show.
Friday Garage.
With whom?
With Pali.
Okay, and actually tell to people how you wanted to call it. Do you remember?
Thank God it's Friday.
Alright guys, so these are, like, Pali is gonna be star of this episode. And what the thing is that, how many installations you have done, like, on the Rykers and Spyders so far?
Just a couple.
Like, I would say,
Something.
like, what you mean by couple?
One or two, something.
Like, what you have done, tell me, like, cause I'm curious.
What have I been doing?
Like, okay, he haven't done any. So,
Winding up.
so you can see, like, which direction this show will go. So, Pali will do unboxing, introduction of the new product, and he will try to do the installation, and I'm gonna have fun and getting on his nerves. So, Pali, what do you think? I haven't told you what you're gonna be doing.
No.
So, what do you think? Like, how are we gonna test you on this Friday? Like, what's gonna be the first thing? What you think? Like, what can be the test for you? Can it be exhaust?
Might be.
Can it be turbo on the Ryker?
Turbo.
What do you think? Like, how are we gonna test you?
Something that's not on it yet. And
Oh well, you're super smart. Good. Way there you go. So we're gonna do a glove box bag. Even dummy can install it. So you should be all fine. So Pali, do you know what's your reward for all of this? Because I'm not paying you for this. Do you know that? Have you clocked out?
No.
Have you clocked out?
No.
Do you know what's your reward for this?
Can leave sooner today.
No, the reward for this is, in case you will do an awesome video, we will sell more, and you're gonna have more packaging.
That's a reward. Okay, more packaging. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Pali, your very first unboxing. So what you got?
So we have a nice glove box organizer for our Ryker down here from Chochrome. Nice, neat packaging. You just open it. Okay.
Do you know where it is, like when it is produced?
It's in USA.
There you go.
There you go.
No China. With all respect to these
So
countries.
what do we have in the package? A nice.
Come on, man.
Fish.
Like, we don't have like
Okay,
20
no fish.
minutes.
Okay. We don't.
Installation, no, because they are watching your video.
And the product itself.
Okay, so
for the first feel.
can you go on the light more?
Sure, man. For the first feel, it's like very nice quality. It's tough to say whether it's real or artificial leather. It's something in between. Looks very nice to me. So it might be even real leather on the back. It has 1, 2 pockets, and probably, I'm not very sure because the packet says 3 pockets, but
yeah, because one is hidden here.
one's hidden somewhere.
One is there.
Where is it?
What? That's the pocket.
Okay,
This is
1, 2.
oh,
Oh,
Jesus.
okay, there we go. So it's 1.
Your point is to sell these products, man.
I will, man. Of course, when I put it in and people see how it looks. Okay, so it's 3 pockets.
This is gonna be a long series.
And there's like zippy things at the back with the stickers.
Do you think you will manage to install it?
I think it should be easy.
All right, so let's do it.
Okay.
So installation, my friend.
So it goes in here into the glove box.
Oh, you're smart.
You can empty the glove box and should be in there. What I suppose it comes here.
Super.
I think so.
Yep.
It should match there. I think the best way, what I would do, and I'm doing it for the first time, I wouldn't part these things. I would just get the sticky part off and just try to nicely fit it in. In fact, I think that's it.
Yeah, but maybe one thing, because our Ryker it's being used for some time. Maybe we can degrease it.
A little bit of cleaning would be good.
Yeah. Can you see, like, and this is the like I have to work with him.
Just a little bit of cleaning the part. Never does it bad. Okay, so when we have it clean and dry, what I would just do, take off all of these little covers for the glue or the zip ties. Okay.
You sure it's all of them?
Seems like. Let's see. Just try to find the middle. Don't go too crazy. Let's stick there. I think it works like a couple of minutes you can put some weight in it. So
Pali, do you have any tips and tricks for our viewers?
Tips and tricks about what? About this product?
About this crazy hardcore installation.
It's hardcore. Just enjoy your time and make it
Oh
simple.
Lord!
What would you say? It's very
It's
simple.
like nobody will be watching this.
Well,
I'm
what I
pretty sure.
suppose it's good to know there's a little thingy which actually gets in there. So
What?
this thing, it touches one of these parts, so you rather position it below, not over it. So that's why I was taking it a little bit more down, so it's in there.
Smart ass.
So it's nice and neat when you lock it. And that's it. There's not much to, you know, to spoil on it. So just enjoy the product.
Alright, Pali, now we have a glove box. And maybe people will buy it on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, right?
Where else?
Yeah.
It's all there.
And the thing is, we have a partnership with the Showchrome, and all the prices now are extremely epic from this brand. Awesome. Now, maybe last thing, we have an organizer there. What do you think? Like, because Rykers do not have really a lot of places to put the things.
True. Yeah.
What would you put there? Tell me, as a super experienced rider, what would you put there?
Something, because it's not a lockable case. You can only put their stuff, which I don't know, maybe some documents that you will take out.
What about this? Do you know what's that?
Yeah, it's a very good actually thing. It's a micro charger and jump starter, as far as I know.
Yeah. So for instance, that one.
It could be in there.
You can put maybe wallet. I would put there. We will have there definitely. We need to put there the vest, because it's a law here in do we have a vest now? So here you go. That's a vest, and it's a must-have, because this Ryker, it's for our tour and rental agency. That's a place where it will go. Pali has also the cleaning kit for the helmet, so that's something that will go there.
Changeable, can go in the back.
And wallets and mobile phones and whatever. So guys, hopefully you like our new episodes. Pali is gonna be the star.
Okay.
Oh Lord help me. And yeah, so in case you would like to see more, MartinTheVlogger.com, shopping on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, and going on tours with one of two of us.
That's one of us.
Yeah, like one. Well, anyway, Pali or me, toursonfree.com. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember, always have fun.